Hello everybody, this is Brian back with the Fetch.ai FET token update. Having another green day in the market today, after yesterday's down day, but you're going to have those. Fetch is up 1.98% as I'm doing this video right now. And I got some very bullish stuff to show you guys. Some stuff that's really looking good. Number one, that golden cross. You don't see those. Last time we seen most of these, and I cover, I don't know, 10 to 15 cryptos. All of them except one has done a golden cross. Okay, it's just right now things are just really looking great. I mean, Bitcoin has done a golden cross. You can see it right there. I want to show you these because these are super important. The last time Bitcoin did it was during the bull run, so this isn't something that comes around all the time. This is the total crypto market cap right there, golden cross. That's above the 50. So that things are looking really good right now. And I'm going to dig into this chart a little deeper on Fetch here in a second. I want to show you a couple articles and we'll dig into this. Number one is Fetch.ai price prediction, up 26% to 43 cents in 7 days. Is it the best AI crypto? Fetch.ai exploded back in February as hype around the new AI products such as ChatGPT and Google Bart gained huge traction in crypto markets. This came after a long period of building for the industry's leading AI blockchain. While the recently launched Fetch.ai 2023 project roadmap revealing huge steps towards ecosystem growth planned for this year. And the roadmap, if you want to get on and read this article, because I'm not going to go over the whole thing, it's in Business 2, the number 2, Community. It's in the crypto news in there. But I'm going to go down through here. Fetch came out March 4th. They tweeted their roadmap out. And we want to get down to the price predictions here. But yeah, great couple days in London. Fetch, they're doing some big stuff here. With Fetch.ai's native token FET trading at a current price of 41 cents, a large change of minus 6.84%, FET is undertaking a huge bounce back from lower trendline support after the tail end of the AI narrative hype left FET in a challenging retracement pattern. Okay, down here we're going. Right down here, looking on chain, FET has been in a serious period of accumulation for more than a month. Exchange net position change reveals Fetch.ai is now in its 34th day of accumulation outflows, a clear signal that supply is reducing and investors are stacking. Yeah, look at them charts. Them are on Glassnode. Fetch.ai price prediction. Overall, FET's upside target, if 50 cents flips to support, would be 75 cents. As for downside risk, rejection here would likely see a tumble to the nearest lower support level at 30 cents. Okay, this gives FET a risk-reward ratio of 2.52, a very attractive entry for one of the most cutting-edge projects in the space. And we're going to get to that chart. The Fear and Greed Index, the market cap is up 0.57%. The volume is up 10.6%. And Bitcoin dominance is up 0.54%. And we are back in greed. Boy, there must be a real, well, there is a fine line there. 50's fear. Last week we were at 34 in fear. So what's up and down for the day? The biggest gainers, the graph up 15%. There's your biggest losers, and these numbers keep dwindling, and these digits keep getting bigger as the day goes on. So, turning out to be a really nice day in crypto. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you on board with us, and we got a great bunch of people here, and going to give away that 100 ADA at the end of the month. And all you got to do is be subscribed to the channel. We would love to have you along with us. So let's dig into this thing here. They were talking about that bounce in that article. You can see that bounce happened right here. This thing cooled off for a little bit, did an A, B, C correction, cooled off for a bit like it had to. The coins, once they get to a point, they just have to cool off. But now we're back above that 50 on the daily, and that is huge. That's what you want to see in an uptrend. You want to see your coin above that 50-day moving average, and it's holding on. It's right now, it's acting as support right now for us. So let's dig into the let's get in on the 4-hour here. You can clearly see the 5 waves up there, the micro waves, and we were talking about a bigger move. You know, this, you can see this here, this tiny little 1, 3, 4, and then your blow off there, your 5. Then you had your ABC correction, and this ABC could not be, this still could be working out here. It could have some minor downside left to it. I mean, this would make more sense to me in AB, and maybe come down a little bit more here. That's what's making sense to me. Of course, it's kind of backing it up because, oops, let me get rid of that a second. Down here in the RSI, the 4 hours starting to roll over a little bit because the 1 is on its way down. So that would kind of make some sense to me. A bigger ABC correction here. So, and on the daily, you can also see that that thing is starting to just tilt to the right. It's starting to roll over a little bit, which is fine. Now you need your RSIs to reset for a run up. And this thing, actually, it can run on top for a long time, but I think that 4 hour needs to come down. And once it flatlines down here with the 1, once the 1 and the 4 are at the bottom, I think we're going to see some upwards price movement here. But I wanted to show you all these things that are leading up to this being a pretty decent run, I think, is coming for crypto. So all these indicators, all these, they're not wrong. They only happen, they don't happen very often, that's for sure. You can see back here, the last time this happened for FET was in the bull run. And right up there was the top where we peaked out. Let me zoom it down. Whoops, sorry about that. Let me zoom down here a little bit and show you. You know, right over here is where it flipped bullish for the bull run. We ran up. It came below it down here because we had all this negative price action. Once it started back up again, the golden cross formed, and we still had this huge run up. And then we went into the bear market, and it has finally flipped again. So that is fantastic news. That's what you want to see. And thank you very much, everybody, for watching my video. I will check back in tomorrow, and we'll see how this price action forms out the rest of the day. Have a fantastic day. Thank you very much.